showing you the ultimate way to clean up your living room. If you need this tip, follow and like and subscribe and hit the like button on this video. I'm gonna show you the real tip to do this. Now we're gonna re-clean it up. Okay. Lift it back up. Hey guys, this is our mess that we're dealing with right now. And this is an ultimate way to clean it up. Like I said, it's the start. Come on, Tyler. And that is my little cousin Tyler. Tyler. That's my little cousin Tyler. And guys, it's just so funny. It's not funny, it's just fun. So, I'm a small content creator. I started yesterday. So could you please?
Throwing shit in this house, I told y'all. That ain't cleaning up. Y'all making a bigger mess.
Tyler's throwing all this stuff.
You just do that. That's on you.
I just threw that heel, but Tyler threw that bottom somewhere. Come on, Tyler, we gotta finish. So, yeah,
No,
like
no, I can do my baby.
no. Okay, Tyler, you know what to do.
Yeah, I told you.
Put up that teddy bear. Go put up that teddy bear and get all this stuff. Get from under there.
That's Tina, Mommy. It's on my teddy bear.
You know what I did tell you about these water you drink and you leave halfway?
Uh-huh.
That's exactly what you're doing here.
Tyler, you can clean up.
Stop throwing shit in there.
Okay. Go put this in the room.
That's it. Before you get another water, you finish that.
Okay.
I'm telling you now.
Tyler, put all the makeup stuff up in here. I didn't put nothing in her. That's not hers. Here, go put it up in there. Good, you're in my video. You're in my video. Okay, Tyler. Well, watch out. Oh! Yeah, replace it later here. Alright, I'm taking video. No, I'm taking video. Nope. Hold on, Tyler. You know, I said I gotta mute my video. Alright. So go pick up that Kit Kat paper and throw it in the trash. Pick up that Kit Kat paper and throw it in the trash. Papa, Papa, do you know how to spell Bayou Vibes Kitchen? Can you come down here and spell it on the TV for me?
No, I'm not coming down there. Okay, like that. You can put it in.
I'm about to cut my video. Yep, that's the end of our video today. Come on. Tyler, come on, we gotta say the ending intro. Come on, Tyler. Come on, Tyler. Come on. Come on. Thank you for all. Thank you for all our supporters. This will be the end of our video. This will be the end of our video. Like and subscribe and put anything you want in the comments. And all the people who love to be preppy, send me some preppy ideas.